Sometimes a master company will only like to synchronize data which have been used in the database. It could be, for instance, that we only like to synchronize payment terms which actually have been used on a vendor, for instance. So in this case, we would like to create a data template, which is a field template, and that means that all the records which are in that sort of table will only be synchronized when it have been used on a vendor, for instance. We will create the data template. Type in the code as you define your own. Set the type of the data template to be a field template and add the sequence number. We will only insert some few of the fields from this table, like this, and we'll then set it for released, and just go back and find the vendor template. Set the vendor template to be under development. And we will find the field for payment terms on the template. As you can see, there is a reference for payment terms table, and in the field for field data template code, we will then insert the template for payment terms. We will set this template for released. The system has now run through all vendors to see what sort of payment terms have been used on the vendors. We'll go back to the payment terms, and then we would like to see that record data only include the payment terms which have been used on all the vendors. And if we look for the payment terms, you will then see that it's not only those three, but we have several further payment terms in the system. So it will only synchronize those which have been used on the vendors.